Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can hide the group members in WhatsApp group. So the only way to hide the members is by creating a community within the group itself. So in my case, I am in my WhatsApp group right here. So make sure that you also get landed onto your WhatsApp group, then tap onto the name itself. Here you're gonna have to simply scroll all the way below. And right at this page, you will see add group to a community. So tap on this button, then either select new community or select existing one. I'm gonna select new community. In here, select get started under create a new community. Now let's go ahead and give it a name like test and then select next. Now select OK to add this group to community. Wait for this to load. And as you can see, this being my group, this is my community. Now the thing is, once you're in your community, only the group admin, as in you, will be able to view the members, and other people who are a member of this community will not be able to view it. This is how it's done. This is how you can hide it. Thank you for watching.